Hope is a simple word, yet it sustains us through challenges unheard.
Even as our planet chokes on discarded waste and our rich traditions fade away, we hold on to a vision to reconcile progress with preservation and bridge yesterday's wisdom with tomorrow's possibilities.
We are in Actis SRCC, and this is our story.
Now present Project Virasat.
Often engrossed in our materialistic pursuits, we tend to overlook life's hidden wonders, like the once vibrant sounds of India's Karigars, now on the verge of extinction. Similar to the pillars and beams that support a home, the artisans have been the preservers of our art forms, nurturing our heritage and keeping our shared home strong and welcoming for generations.
However, due to the adverse impact of mechanization, these art forms have been rendered vulnerable, with 30% of artisans having exited the sector and 42% enduring exploitation in the unorganized market. Thereby, to renew the glory of our heritage and to revive the virasat of our own karigars, we started Project Virasat.
With humble roots in Jandiala Guru, Virasat began by taking up the 30-hour skill of hammering copper utensils, leading to the formation of Pital. After being taken over by our alumnus Mr. Aditya Agarwal, Pital recently amassed an all-shark deal worth ₹1 crore on Shark Tank India.
In alignment with the national goals like Make in India, Vocal for Local and the Spurti program, we conducted surveys and market research to identify the languishing craft forms. After clocking 1700 hours of need assessment surveys, we uncovered 2 craft forms with significant potential. Gaurahari stonework from Mahoba in Uttar Pradesh, meticulously crafted by carving the Gaura Patthar. Usta art from Rajasthan, showcasing elegant meenakari and 24-karat gold embossing on wooden bases.
To broaden our impact, we have intervened into 2 new art forms. Tarkashi, a 500-year-old Manpuri craft form that includes beautiful metal inlay into words, and Zarbulan, a royal symbol of Lucknow that involves 8 stages of inlay. After adopting the art forms, we mobilize the artisans and provide them with the necessary support and resources. We also collaborate with professional designers, establishing centers of excellence to spread awareness and educate about contemporary designs.
To guarantee the welfare of our karigars, we appropriate 40% of the profits to them. Moreover, by registering them with the Development Commission for Handicraft, we facilitate them to acquire bank loans, health insurance, and government programs.
After mobilization, we provide them with all the necessary market connections to draw in additional exposure. By constructing 5+ retail outlets, taking part in 15+ exhibitions, and showcasing our products to notable individuals like the Finance Minister and the Vice President of India, we developed a strong offline presence. Additionally, we formed a strategic partnership with the Karigari chain of restaurants wherein they utilize and display our products, resulting in enhanced brand awareness.
We successfully integrated Virasat's website with SEO trackers to improve our online visibility, which increased our organic traffic by 33%. Furthermore, we have strengthened our marketing presence by listing our products on our own Virasat app and on 25+ online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and ONDC. By collaborating with logistic firms like ShipRocket and Delivery, we guarantee end-to-end connectivity to our customers.
Following the paths of expansion, we partnered with the District Administration of Mewar to launch Brand New, thereby directly supporting 4 art forms, embracing Changeri, terracotta, bag stitching, and carpet weaving. This year, we established a steady demand channel for bag stitching by partnering with government schools. We also collaborated with EPCH to expand the presence of carpet weaving in foreign markets like the UAE and Singapore.
Recognizing the dynamic world environment in fast-paced technology, we utilize the metaverse, bringing our traditional crafts to life in a 3-dimensional virtual environment. This unique platform allows users to not only experience but also purchase our products from the convenience of their homes.
In the ensuing future, we aim to broaden our ambit by collaborating with worldwide handicraft organizations like the Global Handicraft Network to mobilize the artisans of Dhaka weaving from Nepal and Parzo from Bhutan. We'll then list the art forms on our respective websites, thereby taking Virasat to an international level.
Keeping in mind our Usta Karigars, we also intend to partner with CCIC to create 10 plus demand channels for expanding our reach, hence sustaining the art form. Through our unwavering efforts, we are reviving 8 languishing art forms, impacting over 128 families, subsequently generating a revenue of Rs 18.2 lakhs. We have created 88 entrepreneurs, directly impacting 46 artisans, thus leading to a 158% increase in their monthly income. By expanding our global presence to over 7 countries, we recorded a 50% increase in international sales just this year.
रासत मेरे लिए टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा है। जो बंदा एक जॉब कर रहा था महीने की 10-12 हज़ार की, उसकी कंपनी का 1.5 करोड़ रुपए का टर्नओवर होने जा रहा मार्च में। मेरे अंदर जो फील हो रहा है मैं शायद समझा नहीं पाऊँ आपको, लेकिन आप सीरियस मानो कि ये मेरे लिए प्लेटफॉर्म ना मस्जिद के बाद का दूसरा नंबर यही है।
We now present Project Leher.
Our home, Earth, is a delicate ecosystem that nurtures life. But with every action we take, we leave an indelible mark. These actions, though often unseen, have a profound impact on our environment, like the pervasive issue of cigarette butt waste.
Each cigarette butt contains cellulose acetate, a plastic laden with over 7,000 toxins, silently polluting up to 500 liters of ocean water. Every year, 6.5 trillion cigarette butts are irresponsibly flicked, making it the world's most littered waste.
This pollution leads to a significant global economic loss of $26 billion annually, affecting industries, communities, and the very fabric of our ecosystem.
In light of these challenges, we started Project Leher, a first of its kind solution to cigarette waste management. In our effort to understand the issue of cigarette waste generation, we spent over 650 hours conducting comprehensive surveys across Delhi NCR, gathering key insights that revealed the critical problem.
In response to these findings, we set up our self-manufactured smoker-friendly bins in the Horeca sector and corporate offices including DLF, Air India and Cushman and Wakefield.
The collected waste is transported regularly to a central collection facility in Gurugram, where it is segregated into paper, tobacco and plastic by our women entrepreneurs. Following a zero waste model, the paper is recycled while the tobacco and the plastic are sent to SRIR. The tobacco is disposed of in an eco-friendly manner and the plastic is completely detoxified using medical grade gamma radiation, a proprietary technology developed in collaboration with the Latmare School of London.
The first wave of Leher began in 2020 by integrating the detoxified waste with terracotta, sustaining it in 2023 in collaboration with Rice Foundation. To diversify, we recently expanded into ceramic products, generating sales of over 21.6 lakhs.
While processing orders for our ceramic products, we faced a significant challenge: plastic packaging. Each year, companies generate over 400 million tons of plastic waste, which is enough to circle the earth over 11 times.
To tackle this issue, we collaborated with manufacturers to form a slurry, combining detoxified cigarette waste with recyclable paper pulp, which is then set into molds, forming a sustainable packaging solution. Our composition being 41% stronger than the traditional material ensures better protection for the products. We also partnered with Panasonic, Petal and Packade to expand our market presence.
Taking the way forward, we conducted extensive surveys revealing that over 420 million people worldwide are forced to resort to open defecation.
खुले में सोच करना तो हमारी मजबूरी है। कीचड़, गंदगी, बीमारी तो हमेशा हमें भय बना रहता है।
Their voice, along with those of countless others, demanded action. Hence, we decided to construct community toilets using our toxin-free cigarette-infused bricks, addressing the issue of both cigarette waste and open defecation.
To put innovation into action, we tested multiple compositions and manufactured the most suitable one. Our bricks are then supplied to municipal authorities of Delhi NCR to contribute to building essential sanitation facilities.
To broaden awareness of the problem, we collaborated with UNDP, Veolia and Air India, conducting over 7 collection drives and 4 street plays. These combined efforts gathered 4,800 kilograms of waste and educated 10 lakh people on proper disposal practices.
In partnership with Bain & Company, we consulted ITC on establishing their in-house cigarette recycling facility. Our work was recognized at the UN COP26, earning us applause from UNEP Goodwill Ambassador Dia Mirza. Additionally, we received a letter of recommendation from the Global Climate Innovation Hub at Dalberg and another from MLA Akhilesh Tripathi for our BRICS initiative. In 2024, Project Leher was chosen as a top 25 applicant in the Taco Bell Ambition Accelerator.
In the future, we plan to collaborate with other organizations like ITC to set up their in-house recycling facility. To expand our paper packaging model, we are exploring different packaging molds and cardboard boxes for FMCG companies to diversify our offerings. Moreover, we aim to construct community toilets operated by marginalized women and collaborate with construction projects like PM Awas Yojana to supply our cigarette-infused bricks.
Through Leher's groundbreaking business model, we have recycled over 27,000 kilograms of cigarette butt waste, preventing 14.9 million cubic meters of oceanic pollution. We have also established 3 community toilets and generated revenue of over 26.5 lakhs just this year. Our initiative has created 73 women entrepreneurs and employed 120 individuals, contributing to 6 UN Sustainable Development Goals.
The world may be in a blind race, but we have a vision.
A vision to transform the lives of those left behind.
To solve the gravest of problems ailing our society.
We believe we are harbingers of hope.
In redefining India.
With our communities being our true heroes.
As catalysts of change, we seek,
We create.
We strive.
We empower. We are Enactors SRCC.